The South Australian Government is really committed to schools being central hubs for communities outside of school hours as well. We've got a really open mind about what the model should look like. What we're hoping for is that the community and the school will be able to partner to design something that's perfect and relevant for them.
There are lots of different ways that schools enable use of the facilities, but also connect to provide on-site support for students and families. So I've been working with a group of stakeholders who really want to support schools to develop and enhance some of the partnerships with external agencies and sporting clubs, etc. So to that end, we've got a video with a fabulous group of schools that are demonstrating how they are working with their local community.
When I first got this job, one of the first things I did was go over to the West Torrens Council because I was keen for this school to become part of the West Torrens open space and to create a community use agreement with the West Torrens Council so that the community could come onto the grounds and use them as was appropriate.
Our school works with young people and older people who haven't completed the SACE. Clearly, being in the middle of the Elizabeth Central Business District, being next to or within, somehow connected to TAFE SA, made a huge amount of sense in terms of taking advantage of the other facilities that are available out here, and also with TAFE SA taking advantage of facilities that we would never be able to build as a school.
So for students, the change is 2009 our SACE results were 17.9% completed, and in the last 3 years we have hovered between 90% and 100% of students completing SACE.
I would really like to think that the community describe Morphett Vale Primary School as a place where everyone is welcome, where everyone is invested in it's their property and that they look after it and that they care about it, and that they feel welcome to come here, and that it's a resource in our community, a really rich resource that value adds, I guess, to the life of everybody who lives within the community.
You know, we are funded from the public purse, and I think we have an obligation to give back to the public who in fact fund our schools, and it's such a fabulous resource. You know, we have the basketball courts and the playgrounds and fitness equipment.
One of the things that we're always going after is really engage parents and communities. So having schools that are accessible for other services and other facilities for communities means we're going to get better engagement, and that's going to lead to better learning outcomes for kids.